Guys, as I showed you in one of my previous videos, one of the best ways to marinate beef is to, without salt, is to use soy sauce. So you can use soy sauce and meat and cut it in cubes, as I said, slightly frozen, because it's easier to cut meat in cubes, more or less even cubes, when it's slightly frozen. So the cubes are becoming more even, and as you can see, while it's melted, it's becoming more soft, but anyway, it's small and it's more or less even. So you can marinate beef with the soy sauce on its own without adding any salt to that, or you can actually add any vegetables, like for example, in my case, onion, and marinate as well, mix it all together, add soy sauce, and marinate onion with meat, with beef in this case. And you can add carrots or pepper, for example, and marinate everything together. But I would not probably recommend you to add pepper, because it becomes a bit tender. It's better to add it later when cooking. So meat and onion. And by the way, I normally use onion, which is which I marinate with vinegar and salt, and then add it to the dish. But in this case, I ran out of this ready-made marinated onion, which is quite a good addition to any dish, any meat, or even fish meat, or any salad. Not any, but many salads. So I highly recommend you to have marinated onion somewhere in your fridge, for example. It's quite a universal addition. If you don't have it, no worries. You can actually marinate it together with the meat, in this case with soy sauce. It's gonna be super delicious. Just put it in the fridge for about half an hour as a minimum, maybe longer, even for a night, for example, if you're cooking in the morning. So I will put it for an hour, I guess. I will put it in the fridge and then see how it goes. And if it's marinated enough, I will just fry it and or add it to the soup. I haven't decided yet. So it's quite a universal thing. So enjoy cooking, and subscribe and comment and like if you like this advice and recommendations. Subscribe not to miss further cooking advices, cooking hacks, and etc., or some recipes, video recipes that I make and publish. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment, and enjoy cooking.